Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have been stuck on this particular screen severally trying to run an update either on a Valeton GP5 or GP200, today I have a final solution for you. If this is your first time running or plugging the Valeton GP200 or GP5 to your board, you would have to make sure you have the ASIO driver installed, especially for Windows. So you can download it and then install it. Now when you are done and still it is not updating and or installing, then you proceed with this particular next step. So the first step is to open the device manager. Now this is how to open it. You would have to right click the start menu or press Windows X and then choose device manager. Now I am running on Mac, so I do not have access to the Windows 11, so I'll present it and then you take your time, go through the video and then manually fix it. So next will be to find sound, video and game controllers in the list, then you expand it and then you find your GP device, so it could be GP5 or GP200. Now after you are done, the next is to update the driver. So right click the GP device and then select update driver from the context menu. A context menu is the pop-up that comes when you right click. So you would have to select that from the device manager menu. So when you select update driver from the context menu, the next thing you would see would be a pop-up. And when that pop-up shows, select browse my computer for drivers. Then you select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So you click that and you would have to select USB audio device from the list that pops up. Okay, then you click next to complete the installation. So it's as simple as this. But if you do not see USB audio device like over here, you would have to make sure show compatible hardware is checked. So it's going to be a checkbox and you have to click it to see it activated. So once you do that, you would see USB audio device in the list and then you select that and then you click next to complete the installation and everything would work fine. So you would have to rerun the firmware update again and everything will be successful. So if you enjoy this particular style of content, let me know in the comments. And also if you would want me to make videos about a particular board that you use, so far I have access to the GP5, GP200, Boss GT1 and a headrush pedal. So I will be releasing more content on those very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.